Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers. Hope you guys are all okay. Today I'm going to unbox my new tripod. This is my second tripod which I bought online locally, but it took 3 weeks to arrive. So I just received it today. So let's check. I already opened this plastic bag. So that's the tripod. Very reasonable packaging, but it's got damaged in the mail. I can see on the side it's opened already on the side, so somehow it's got damaged in the post. So let's check what's in the box. That's the tripod, and this is safety strap. So you can put like this on your wrist and hold the selfie stick like this. So basically this is a tripod and a selfie stick too. So let's check how it's look like. So that's the mobile adapter or clip, so we can put mobile or our camera, and this is Bluetooth button, so we connect this one with the mobile or camera, and we can press the button and take the pictures. So this is extendable. It has a reasonable height, so around 2 feet. Yeah, 2 feet, look like 2 feet. Okay, so that's his legs. So we can turn this selfie stick into a tripod too. So in the bottom there is a lock, so we need to turn it around halfway, and then it's turned into a tripod. How cool it is. And if we turn around again, it turns into a selfie stick like this. It's really a handy tool, and it has a 360. You can rotate it into a 360 position like this, and this way you can close it. It's basically very cool. I really like it, and please don't forget to tell in comments, do you like this tripod? And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.